Our country has completed 74 years of independence, but more than 700 million farmers, 70 crore farmers of India, they are yet to get independence because they are dependent on a sector which is not giving them enough money. Government has been talking about multiplying farmers' revenue by 2022, but because there is not enough digital transformation that has happened, barely, like you can say that probably negligible digital transformation has happened in agro sector, and because of that there is not much change that has happened in the agro sector. Typically what happens when one farmer sees that okay, in the next village people have sown sugarcane or wheat or rice, okay, let me also copy that, and then every other village would actually copy that model and they all will go and sow sugarcane. Then there is too much supply of sugarcane, there is too much supply of wheat and rice, and then the government is forced to buy that, because to make sure that the farmers are happy, the major vote bank of the country is happy, government has to forcefully buy that. Then sometimes there would be rain, thunderstorm, hailstones, so because of which the farmers would lose their crop. Then again the government has to compensate, the banks have to waive off their loans. So we decided to create this app called FarmRoot. This FarmRoot is a complete 360-degree end-to-end solution for the farmers' problems and for farmers' prosperity. Now what FarmRoot does is, like when a farmer will log in into FarmRoot and would upload their soil card, based on the soil parameters, he'll be advised that for a land where you have surplus water, you can sow this crops, and the land which has limited water, you can sow this crops. And there would be a lot of like innovative suggestions coming to the farmers, not the traditional crops, because you don't need a digital transformation solution for traditional crops. You need such kind of FarmRoot app to make sure that you have a complete paradigm shift, you have a complete radical view of what can be sown, and that can happen with FarmRoot. Now some mangoes in Japan, we've recently seen news that farmers in Madhya Pradesh, they came up with a variety of mango which is sold at like more than 1 lakh rupee a kg in Japan. Then there have been some vegetables sown by farmers in Bihar, and they got more than 1 lakh rupee per kilo for those vegetables. So those kind of suggestions would come from the FarmRoot app, and farmers would be able to decide that yes, I want to do something innovative, let me pick this vegetable, let me pick this mango, this variety of onion, this variety of potato I will pick up. They will sow it, and then the logistics that would be required after the harvest is done, the logistics that would be required, that logistic would also, they will be able to book their truck or cargo through the app itself. When the crop reaches the market, when the harvest reaches the market, the wholesalers, distributors, everything mapped to the app. And the farmer would be able to come to know on day one itself, on the day of sowing itself, the farmer would come to know that when the crop comes in the market after 60 days or 90 days, he will get this much money from the market. The farmers would also be restricted, like let's say we decide 25,000 farmers with 1,000 hectares of land, they will be allowed to only produce this much onion, so that they all get that price, that the price which is required for the farmers. All that to come to the farmers, we will restrict the farmers, the app would restrict the farmers, will not suggest more than 25,000 farmers to go ahead with the onion crop. So all those restrictions and all those vision to the farmers, the predictability about the price that the farmer is going to get, so that a farmer would able to plan their expenses right from the day one of the sowing of the crop. And all the insurance sector, the entire insurance sector for farm insurance, the loan system, the banks would be integrated to this, and the ratings based on the farmer's past performance and the past crops that farmer has taken, and the payback that the farmer has done for the loans to the banks, all of that integrated into a single app, and an end-to-end solution for the grievances of all the farmers in India. This will quadruple, Farmroot will quadruple farmers' revenue over next 4 to 5 years time, and we are very sure that India's economy will cross the $5 trillion mark with Farmroot helping more than 70 crore farmers over next couple of years time.